Hello everyone. Hope everyone's all okay. Been really busy. We're trying to get our house ready to move out, so the Mini's kind of on the back burner a bit at the minute, so you have to bear with me with the video uploads and stuff like that, because it's not taking preference at the minute. Next house hopefully we're going to move to, we'll have a garage, so I'll be able to do a lot more to the car maybe if I've got any money left, which is doubtful, but we've got some fairly thin, cheap, self-adhesive rubber seal. It's a nice little D-shaped rubber seal that should potentially help the door to fit a bit better. I'm going to put some little plates in the left-hand drive wiper scuttle holes today, so I'll get that done, hopefully finish the scuttle off today and see what else we get done. Also, I want to say thank you very much to everyone that's subscribed to the channel so far. Keeps going up. I'm up to 150 something now, which is 130 more than I thought I'd get, so thank you very much for everyone that watches, and if you haven't subscribed, maybe subscribe if you like the video. If not, don't worry. Okay, let's crack on. Okay, I just spoke to my dad on FaceTime thing. He came up with a good suggestion on how to cut this little bit of metal, which is very handy, thank you very much. I've got a protractor here somewhere, or compass, sorry. I can't find it anywhere, so chopped up a little piece of metal, held it underneath, just scribed round it. So now I've got to try and cut that. I should be able to cut that perfectly well because I can't cut in a straight line, so I should be right cutting in a circle. Right, I've got that little disc cut out, and it's in the hole now, so no laughing in the back. And it's near on flat. So I'm going to go ahead, clean all this area up, and then start taking it in. I'm going to do it very slowly, so that I don't get any heat distortion all around this area and cause more problems, like I did down here, if you've watched that video. Magnets are set. I've got one on the top, one underneath. Hopefully I won't fry them. It's just sitting ever so slightly proud, this side. I don't know whether that's where I've welded it here and it's bowing slightly. I've only done 3 little tacks on there, but I just figured I'll save myself some time in the long run. Start tapping it down a little bit there. It's nearly there. Yeah, it's got it. Okay, that's going quite well. I'll say my welding is not particularly good, but I'm going to let that cool down again. I'm not going to get too excited and start chopping out the other one, and then come back to this in a minute. I've got to the point now where I'm going to stop with the angle grinder because I don't want to go a bit too crazy with it. I'm going to flat block it now, and I'm pretty happy with that. Even with my bit of a blobby welding, it's come out quite well. Give a much sleeker look. I mean, it doesn't. You don't get a very sleek look with a Mini with the scuttle panel anyway, but I think it's better than the rubber bungs going in there. I know it's taken a lot of time to do. I'm going to show you quickly just how it's going. I think it's going pretty well. I think you might agree. Even with the blobby welding, I've counted 3 tiny weeny pinholes which just need welding in, and I've got no distortion, and it's nearly flat. I need to take this down just a little bit more, but it's nearly flat with no filler, and that's exactly what I wanted, so I'm happy. Just welded those last 3 tiny little pinholes up, ground it down quickly, and now I'm just going to attempt to flat it off a bit so we can use basically the minimal amount of filler possible. Okay, I've just got this to the point where I'm really happy with it. I'll show you what it looks like. There we are. So it's as flat as I can get it now, and I think you agree it does look really good. I'm going to put a bit of etch primer on there, and then it'll just need a really thin skim of filler just to take out those tiny little notches there, and that's that one done. I hope you appreciate that it's obviously all these little extra bits like this do take a hell of a lot of time. Well, it does me, because I don't do this sort of thing normally. Hopefully we're going to get that overall result that I'm looking for, with little bits like this just are going to set the car off, I'm hoping. So let me know what you think of it so far. Just blasted some etch primer over the top. I can't believe the difference it's made. It really does look really nice. Gives much more of a smoother look as opposed to that with the 2 holes. Obviously there would be a grommet in there originally, but having it like that just really sets that scuttle panel off.